Do colors define Marvel's heroes and villains? Color is not just a visual tool in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. It's a critical part of storytelling that enhances the depth and distinction between heroes and villains. Each character's color palette is carefully chosen to symbolize their personality, moral alignment, and emotional journey. In the MCU, heroes are often associated with bright, bold colors that represent virtues like bravery, hope, and justice. For example, Captain America's blue, red, and white suit is a direct reflection of his role as a symbol of patriotism and moral righteousness. Blue, often seen in his suit, symbolizes trust, loyalty, and calm under pressure. Similarly, Iron Man's red and gold armor reflects not just wealth and power, but also his bold, flamboyant nature and the fiery energy behind Tony Stark's genius. Thor, the god of thunder, dons a dark red cape, symbolizing his royal lineage and power, while also exuding courage and aggression. Scarlet Witch, with her deep red tones, represents passion, anger, and her intense emotional complexity as a character torn between heroism and personal trauma. In contrast, villains in the MCU frequently employ darker, more ominous hues. Loki, with his green and gold, signals envy, cunning, and mischief, traits that define his character throughout the series. Thanos, one of the most formidable villains, wears dark purple, a color long associated with royalty and power, but also with arrogance and cruelty. Purple in this case also reflects his cosmic scale, suggesting mystery and dominance over life and death. Ultron, with his metallic silver gray, exudes coldness, detachment, and a lack of humanity, matching his AI-driven lack of empathy. The Black Order, Thanos' lieutenants, also embark dark tones to highlight their malevolent natures and loyalty to evil. As characters evolve, their color palettes often shift to mirror their internal transformations. Iron Man's suits become sleeker and more metallic over time, reflecting Tony Stark's growth from reckless inventor to seasoned hero. Similarly, when Wanda Maximoff transforms into the Scarlet Witch, her red becomes deeper, symbolizing her full embrace of her powers and darker side. Color also plays a crucial role in team dynamics. The Avengers, for instance, use a spectrum of colors to differentiate their personalities, with each shade reflecting their unique contribution to the group. In contrast, villainous teams often use darker, more uniform color schemes to emphasize their collective threat to the heroes. In the MCU, color is more than just a design element. It's a storytelling device that shapes how we perceive heroes and villains. From the warm, vibrant tones of the heroes to the cold, dark shades of the villains, Marvel uses color to convey deeper layers of emotion, morality, and power. This careful manipulation of color helps define the epic battle between good and evil, enriching the cinematic experience for audiences across the globe.